Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to ElectroFinds. So, the big question today is, can a $20 blender actually be any good? I was pretty skeptical, but for our 2025 budget challenge, I bought a whole bunch of them to find out. We're gonna see what works, what breaks, and what genuinely surprised me. Just a heads up, all product links are in the description. You can check them anytime. All right, enough talk. Let's get blending and see what these gadgets can really do. All right, kicking things off at number 10, we have the USB Rechargeable Portable Juicer. Forget those bulky kitchen blenders. This little gadget is a total game changer for anyone on the move. Its biggest win? It's completely portable and USB rechargeable. You can power it up with your laptop, a power bank, or even in your car. Imagine this, you're at the gym, at the office, or even hiking, and you can whip up a fresh, delicious smoothie in seconds. It's powerful enough to crush frozen fruit and ice, giving you a perfect blend every time. No more excuses for skipping your health goals. For a quick, convenient, and healthy drink anywhere, this thing is a must-have. Want to upgrade your smoothie game? Check the link in the description below. Coming in at number 9 is this ultra-versatile portable electric juicer blender. Now, what sets this one apart is its sheer multi-functionality. This isn't just for your morning green juice. Think of it as your personal portable food mixer. It's powerful enough to create silky smooth milkshakes, mix up sauces, or even prepare baby food on the fly. Like our last entry, it's USB rechargeable, making it your perfect travel companion. The real benefit here is versatility. It's one compact device that replaces several small kitchen appliances. It's incredibly easy to clean too. Just add a drop of soap, some water, blend for a few seconds, and you're done. For a gadget that does it all, from milkshakes to fruit extractions, check out the link in the description below. At number 8, we have the sleek personal-sized blender. Now, the key word here is personal. This device isn't about making smoothies for the whole family. It's engineered to create the perfect single serving just for you. Its biggest advantage is simplicity. With a one-touch operation, there are no complicated settings to mess with. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and you're good to go. It's USB rechargeable, of course, and comes with a brilliantly designed leak-proof lid. You can toss this in your gym bag or backpack and never worry about a single drop spilling. This is perfect for portion control and for anyone who wants a hassle-free experience. You blend and drink from the very same bottle, which means less to clean and more time to enjoy your day. If you want the ultimate grab-and-go blending solution, check the link in the description below. Next up, at number 7, is the 400 milliliter portable juicer blender. Now, you might be wondering what makes this one special. It's all about hitting that perfect sweet spot in size. At 400 milliliters, it's large enough to make a substantial, filling smoothie that can actually replace a meal, but it's still perfectly compact and portable. This blender packs a serious punch, with a motor strong enough to blitz through ice, frozen fruits, and tough greens, so you never have to deal with a clumpy shake. The design is clean, modern, and it features a smart one-button operation that makes it incredibly easy to use. Just charge it via USB, and you're ready to blend a satisfying, nutrient-packed drink wherever you are. This is for those who need more than just a small juice. It's the ideal size for a proper breakfast smoothie or a post-workout recovery shake. Ready for a bigger, better blend? The link is waiting for you in the description below. All right, coming in at number 6 is the heavyweight of our list, the 530 milliliter portable smoothie blender. If your motto is go big or go home, this is the blender for you. We're talking about a massive 530 milliliter capacity. That's nearly the size of a large drink from your favorite coffee shop. To handle that extra volume, this machine is equipped with a seriously powerful motor and a multi-blade cutting system. It doesn't just mix, it pulverizes. This is designed for those thick, nutrient-dense meal replacement shakes, loaded with protein powder, oats, and frozen fruit. Despite its larger size and power, it maintains its portability with convenient USB charging. This is the ultimate choice for athletes, meal preppers, or anyone who needs a truly substantial drink on the go. You can even make enough to share. For maximum capacity and power, check out the link in the description.
Halfway through our list at number 5, we have this ultra-stylish personal-sized juicer cup. While all these blenders are portable, this one puts a special emphasis on design and aesthetics. Let's face it, if you're carrying something around all day, you want it to look good. This blender feels more like a modern accessory than a kitchen appliance. It features a sleek, minimalist body and often comes in a variety of trendy colors to match your personal style. It's incredibly lightweight and includes a convenient carrying strap, making it the perfect companion for a trip to the gym, the office, or even a yoga class. But it's not just about looks. It's a capable machine that blends smooth, delicious shakes in under a minute. This is for the person who values both function and fashion. It's a statement piece that also happens to make fantastic smoothies. Want to blend in style? Check out the link in the description below.
At number 4, we have a blender that perfectly bridges the gap between your kitchen and the great outdoors. This is the wireless home and travel blender. Think of it less as a travel gadget and more as a cordless kitchen appliance that you can take with you. Its standout feature is its powerful wireless base. You charge it up, and then you're free to blend anywhere, on your kitchen island, at your desk, or even out on the patio for a party. It frees you from being tethered to an outlet. It's built to be robust and reliable for daily home use, perfect for whipping up everything from breakfast smoothies to sauces and marinades, but it's still compact and designed to be your personal blender on the go. This is the ultimate solution for anyone who loves a clean, cord-free countertop or lives in a small space like a dorm or RV. It's true blending freedom. Ready to cut the cord? Check out the link for it in the description below.
Breaking into our top 3, this is the blender for those who love having options. This is the 2-in-1 household mixer, and its standout feature is pure genius. It doesn't come with one, but 2 different blending cups. You get a 500 milliliter cup, which is perfect for a standard-size smoothie, and you also get a massive 700 milliliter cup for when you need a serious meal replacement shake. Both cups fit perfectly on the same powerful rechargeable motor base. This means it can function as your quick personal blender or as a high-capacity household mixer. It's built with the power to handle larger, tougher jobs with ease. This is the ultimate flexible solution for a couple or anyone whose needs change from day to day. One day a small juice, the next day a giant protein shake. This system handles it all. For the blender that adapts to your life, check the link in the description. Our runner-up at number 2 is built for one thing: pure, raw power. This is the 10-blade ice-crushing portable blender. If you've ever been frustrated by a portable blender that leaves chunks of ice or frozen fruit behind, this is your solution. Its secret weapon is a revolutionary 10-blade system. That's right, 10 blades. This, combined with a high-torque motor, allows it to pulverize ingredients with the efficiency of a high-end kitchen blender. Its specialty is crushing ice, making it perfect for creating genuinely smooth, grit-free smoothies, frappes, and even frozen cocktails. The powerful 1500 milliamp battery ensures you have consistent power blend after blend. This is for the person who refuses to compromise on texture. It's not just a portable mixer, it's a portable powerhouse. If you demand the absolute smoothest results, you have to check this one out. The link is down below. And finally, taking our coveted number 1 spot is this multifunction mini portable blender. So why is this our top pick? Because it takes all the best features from all the other blenders and combines them into one perfect do-it-all package. First, it nails the balance between power and portability. It has a high-speed motor and a multi-blade assembly that creates vortex-style blending, ensuring a silky smooth texture with no chunks even when using ice or frozen fruit. Yet all this power is housed in a compact, lightweight, and beautifully designed body that's a pleasure to carry. It's also packed with smart features like a safety lock that prevents the blades from spinning unless the cup is properly attached. The battery life is fantastic, it's USB-C rechargeable for modern convenience, and it's incredibly easy to clean. It's powerful, it's stylish, it's smart, and it's reliable. For the vast majority of people, this is the best portable blender you can buy. It has no weaknesses. To check out the best of the best, the link is in the description below. This is the one we wholeheartedly recommend.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on our budget blender showdown. I have to admit, I'm genuinely surprised by how well some of these perform for just 20 bucks. We definitely found some solid winners here. If you're interested in any of them, you'll find all the product links in the description below, so check them out. And hey, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome finds. Catch you guys in the next review.